Kai, thoughts on having more minutes in tonight's game?
I think it's just, I think the first game, binigyan ko ng pagkaalangan yung mga coaches siguro na hindi nila ako magamit. So, simula nun, inisip ko na talaga kung ano yung mga kailangan kong gawin and ipakita para sa next game, mas handa ako. So, I think this Angola team, I mean, they're pretty good, pero I think mas match ako sa mga matchups pag sa big guys na Angola. So, I think yun.
Personally, more minutes sa'yo tonight, but are you satisfied with the way you played tonight?
I mean, marami pa rin pagkukulang, marami pa rin pwede pa i-improve. Siyempre, I mean, wala namang perfect game kahit sa kanino, kahit manalo man. So, papanoorin ko ulit yung game namin. I think I'm just proud of the effort from everybody sa team, the fight back. So, yun, kung ano matutunan from this game, i-add namin sa next game against Italy.
Alright, talking about the fight back in the end, can you talk about how you guys, what was going on throughout the final minutes and final seconds of the game?
I think it's just a puso factor, never give up hanggang mag-buzzer. Kahit ganong kalaki yung lamang nung nasa court ako, hindi ko iniisip yun kasi alam ko na habang may oras ako, may chance pa makahabol, makabawi. So, and yun nga, I think as a player, yun yung mga moments na talagang pinapangarap mo na makapaglaro sa mga ganong type of environment, ganong moment na nag-ahabol, tapos crunch time. So, sorry. Yun, happy ako sa effort namin, yun nga lang kinulang, pero we'll bounce back next.
Kaya medyo masakit pa na natirang pa kayo ng 3 ulit?
Ano yun?
Medyo masakit pa na natirang pa ng 3 ulit?
Siguro masakit lahat siguro ng points nila. mas maganda sana kung hindi sila nakascore, pero ayun, konting rotation lang siguro. Siyempre lahat nakafocus dun sa post, lahat ready to help. Good pass from Fernando. Yeah. Tapos yun, kasi sila parang pang-daga. So yun, medyo sakit nila. Pero yun yung nangyayari sa game.
Kai, nung Friday against Karl Anthony Towns and tonight against Bruno Fernando, puro NBA caliber big men. Your thoughts on going up against them dito sa
I mean,
World Cup?
you can see naman from Karl Anthony Towns, from Jordan Clarkson, nakikita nila naman kung gano'ng kalayo yung gano'ng kagaling na NBA players. Hindi lang sila NBA players, pero you know, they're really good players sa liga nila. So talagang re-respetuhin mo yung galing nila, yung IQ nila, yung paano nila dalhin yung team nila. So I think it's a blessing for me to play with Jordan and playing against those guys.
Kaya nung nakascore ka ng hook shot, gano'ng kalaking bagay sa kumpiyansa mo kanina yun? Talagang pinag-practice mo ba yung hook shot na yun?
Ako mas lumaki yung kumpiyansa ko, kada rebound ko, kada stop namin, mas naipa ko lalo pagkasabay ko si AJ, talaga mas na-energize ako lalo, parang lalong na-energize ako kasi naalala ko yung dati nung under 18 pa lang kami, yung tandem namin yung energy na talagang nakakahawa yung energy ni AJ, kaya yun, talagang good energy lang sabi ko nga, proud of the effort and the energy from all of us. So yun nga lang, kinulang, pero still the fight was there.
Kaya parang hindi na sa kamay ninyo yung next round. So how are you taking that game against Italy?
I was just focusing on Italy, especially kung ano man yung nasa harap namin. Siyempre, against Italy, siyempre kailangan namin manalo every game. Hindi lang kami pinagpala na manalo this past 2 games, pero yun lang, focus lang namin next game is Italy, try to win that game, and then kung ano man mangyari after that.
Ay, baka natanong na kanina, too early fouls ka, pero coach stayed you on sa mindset during that time?
I think mas nagtiwala na sa akin si coach na natuto na ako from last game, and feel ko na mas kailangan ako support, so inisip ko rin na mas mag-focus ko and to be smarter sa sarili ko, and